Hello students, welcome back after weekend. I hope you are doing good today. As you know, today is 26th of July. We are almost end of this month, right? So, and I also believe you have enjoyed the previous class, and it was good to see you that you have eagerness to know the things which you are not able to understand, right? So please, I encourage you, if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section, right? So today we are going to start a new block. uh, we are going to see the block 11. So this is the teaching video of grade 3 social studies, block 11, lesson plan 1. So block 11 is about the occupations. Let us see. Before you sit for the uh, before you sit for study, I'd like to encourage you, keep ready your resources, your content book, workbook volume 2, notebook, pencil and eraser. Okay, so let's move to the next slide. This is the aim for today's class. So you will be able to access the importance of crops cultivation as an occupation in society at the end of this lesson plan. And these are few keywords that you should know it. Occupation means a job or a profession, the way you spend your time in that. Pulses means the seed of some plants such as beans and peas that are cooked and eaten as food. Crops. Crops are the plants that are grown on farms for food. That are known as crops. So, occupation. What do you understand by this word, occupation? Can you tell me? You can pause the video and write in comment section immediately. Please don't be delayed. So when we heard the word occupation, immediately come to in our mind it is related to a job or a profession, right? So in which we are involved. So today there are many different ways in which people earn their living. Okay, to earning their living, they do a job or they do some profession or they do business, right? So there are many different ways in which people earn their living, and today, so let us find out how someone earn his living from growing crops. There are various ways to earn the living. So today we are going to look at about someone earns his living from growing crops, right? So there are, so we are on block 11, lesson plan 1, growing crops. It is our today's topic. Shall we start? Yes. So I would like to encourage you, please be divide in a group, or not in a group, divide in a pair or make a pair along with any of your family member, either with your parents, any of your parents who is available, or if you have a brother or a sister, you can make a pair with them and you have to do these activities. So first of them, after making a pair, you have to write these questions. After writing this question, first you have to study or read this farmer's life. It's a story of a farmer's life from your content book, front page of block 11. So it is about a farmer's life. You have to read it carefully and then you have to discuss the answer of these two questions. I'm not going to read for you. You have to read on your own and discuss. We will discuss this question in the pair, right? Your time starts now. I hope you have discussed this. So let me ask you few questions regarding the activities you have done. Can you tell me what does Raghu do? Yes, please tell me in the comment section. Right, Raghu is a farmer. What does he do? He is working as a farmer, or his profession is as a farmer, or he is a farmer. Raghu is a farmer, right? Next, what does he grow? Let me tell you. He grows fruits, vegetables, pulses, and grains. And next, what does he use in his work? So he works hard to grow crops even if it is too hot or too cold. So what does he use to do in his work? So he do his hard work, or he works hard to grow crops even in the when the weather is too hot or when the weather is too cold. So he worked hard in such weather also, right? So does he face any problem in his work? What are those? Yes, let me tell you. So too much water or too less water can harm his crops. So he needs to take care of his cows, and he does not have money to buy tractor even though he works so hard. So that is the main problem for him. So he could not able to buy, or he does not have money to buy tractor even though he works so hard. So he may not able to buy, right? Because he needs tractor, but he cannot buy. He does not have money to buy that. Right? Let's move. The answer which I told you, it is the same answer. Raghu is the farmer. He grows fruits, vegetables, pulses, and grain. He works hard to grow crops even if it is too hot or too cold. Too much water or too less water can harm his crops. He needs to take care of his cows. He does not have money to buy a tractor even though he works so hard. Next, these are the images of pulses. Chana dal, moong dal. This is rice. This is fruits. This is vegetable. That these are grown in the farms. So a farmer grows crops like pulses, grains, fruits, and vegetables. Please keep it in your mind, this thing which I am repeating. He uses bullocks to plow the land or his land. He has to depend on rain to have a good harvest. Okay. Now, what do farmers do? And how does farming help farmers? How does farming crops helps us? What will happen if farmers cannot have a good harvest? Right. So the first question, what do farmers do? Farmers grow crops, pulses, fruits and vegetables. These are their occupation. And how does farming help farmers? Right. So the farmers, what they grow, they sells in the market to earn their living or to get money. So what they do or what they did, so what they grown in the farms, so those things which are grown in the farms are sold in the market, right? Okay. So farmer earn their living by selling what they grow. Farmers earn their living how? By selling what they grow. And another thing, we in turn depend on the farmer for our food. Do you depend upon farmers? I hope we all are depend upon the farmer for our food. If the farmer is unable to have a good harvest, he won't be able to earn money. Do you agree with me? Yes. If the farmer is unable to have a good harvest, he won't be able to earn money. So look at these pictures. This is a farmer picture. He is tilling the land or he is plowing the land. with oxen. In the olden days, the oxen were uh, the means of agriculture, so they only till the land. So, one more question, or the last question: where is it not possible to grow crops? Till now, we have looked, we grow crops anywhere in our country, but there are some places where is it not possible to grow crops. Can you tell me what are those places? Yes, in places that we do not have large open field, has dry and infertile soil. Such places, it is not possible to grow crops. Got it? I'll repeat for you. In places that do not have large open field, has dry and infertile soil. And such places, it is not possible to grow crops. Okay, that is called the barren land. This is the image of barren land. Look at here. This is the, oh, now reach to the bonus question. Which is the farmer's occupations here? Which one is the farmer's occupation? You have to tell about the occupation. The options are given in the school year. You can select or choose it from there. Okay. Growing crops. This is the worksheet, you have to complete it. And you have to read the topic again. You have to block 11, and you have to finish or complete the workbook volume 2 S1, and after that you can do practice question 5 as homework, right? So your today's class is over. Time to say thank you, right? Thank you very much. God bless you.